everyone. Today we're gonna make a paper airplane and as well teach my little brother. And I promise I won't shout at my little brother. Now you remember how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Then try to do it the first bit by yourself, and the second bit that you don't know, just tell me if you can't do it. Now this is very easy. If you guys want to follow us, you can just watch this video. But if you are falling behind, you can stop and pause. You can stop the video and then rewind it so you can watch it again.
You can make this.
Oh yeah, very good, but it's kind of wrong. Yeah, isn't it? Oh my gosh. You almost had it. Just a little bit more. Oh, my voice. Now look. Do like this. Okay? Do like this.
Here's one. I don't need this one.
Okay, I'll help you. Just tell me if you need help.
Now this one.
Now this one. Can you do it? Yeah, let's go. This is the first time that I made a video about papers, and it's very fun.
This one. This one.
Not yet. You're going ahead. But if you know, you can go ahead before I do, because I'm talking and I don't have any good luck. But I'm gonna help you real quick. There you go.
Okay.
Just stop playing with the mic.
Okay.
Okay, we're almost finished, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Come on! You're already almost done. So this video is gonna be fun, and hey, I'm almost finish him because it's almost finished. And let me make it the back real quick. Almost done. Do you want propellers like
There.
or you want only like this?
No.
Okay. Okay, now I know what he wants, and I'm gonna do it very fast because we're gonna go well.
Finish?
Yeah, you get that. I'm gonna do it myself.
Look, I make paper airplane.
Look, when you make this, you have to do like this. See, when you make one side, then do the other. Now it's almost finished, and this is the second last step. Get out of the way, please. They can't see you.
This is finished.
Yes, it's finished. Yours are finished, but I'm also finished. Okay, everyone. Bye bye. Can you bye bye to them? Sit down, please.
Bye bye.
See you next time.
Now make paper boat.
What? Not again. Okay, bye bye, everyone. The next video, I will make paper boat with my little brother. Bye.
Bye.